at the Mackinnon Road, and those are exactly what you see. The police and sister agencies conducting a search at her residence on Mackinnon Road, and that is on cases of alleged corruption and money laundering. That is what our agencies are gathering. The probe is said to, the probe is saying it could lead to an arrest, but what we can definitely share with you right now is what is currently happening outside the residence of the former Speaker of the 11th Parliament, the Right Honourable Ebya Among, as CID and sister security agencies are heading for and have arrived at her residence for a search at that particular residence. That's what our reporters are gathering. This is on cases of alleged corruption and money laundering, and it is said the President, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, has ordered a probe on the former Speaker's residence and on the former Speaker herself. She is the second National Vice Chairperson female for the National Resistance Movement, and currently the woman Member of Parliament-elect and recently sworn-in Member of Parliament for Bukedia in the woman constituency right there. We're now joined by our reporter that is Hakim Wampamba, who is on ground and is ready to share with us details of this breaking news that we're just getting in. Hakim, thank you so much for joining us. What we see right now are pictures of members of the Uganda police and maybe other agencies, but help us understand why these are at the residence of the former Speaker of the 11th Parliament. Hakim.
All right, Tracy and dear viewer watching NBS always right now, those are pictures that are coming in right from the Speaker's residence, or the former Speaker of Parliament, the Honourable Ebya Among, and we had pitched camped here right from the hour of 3 p.m. and that is when we got a tip-off that some arrest could actually be made, and as such at the former Speaker's residence would actually be happening. And I've seen a couple of people that seem to at least portend to the fact that that could be the truth. We have seen right from that particular hour security deployment increasing, and it has been upbeat right from the hour of about 2:30 p.m. and we'd seen a number of those, and actually one PPG around this particular place. I should also be able to inform